Hi everyone, welcome back to Titi's Garden, and today we'll be talking about peppers. Have you ever wondered how this come about? I'll tell you, it's just from one seed. I'll show you the process, how I start my pepper from indoors before I plant them outdoors. Very easy steps to take. All you need are your basic accessories. You need your potting soil, you need the potting trays, you need the cell, you need the covers, and your water, obviously. All the cells are easily available in the store. Like this, it has holes already underneath for easy drainage. And the tray, that's where you're going to put the cells at the end of the day so that when you wet, it goes into the tray. And your soil, very easy. Just make sure the soil is damp. We don't want it too dry and also not too wet. We don't want it, we just want it to be moist and loose, which is going to help the seed when it's germinating. If it's too lumped together, it won't breathe and the seed might not germinate. So you just need to fill out all the cells, just the way I'm doing right now. Once it's full, you can fill it up to the brim, or sometimes you want to do it halfway. After placing your seed in it, then you can top up with more seed. So this is very easy. Everything just fill out, and this is it. We are ready now. But before I place my seed, I also want to create holes just to make sure that the seed I'm going to place in them will have a grip, will go into the soil and not just by the surface. If it's on the surface, it's going to dry out and it's going to die. I don't want that happening to my seed. So this is what I do. And let's talk about the seed. These are my seed which have grown over the years. I have a habit of sowing, and also when my plants are ready, I also want to keep my seed. I have this available for sale. It's on my website. You can check them out over the years. I have most of the hot peppers in the world: Carolina, habanero, ghost pepper, scorpion, just name them. They are all available. Please check them out. And you have to label your seed. That's very important. We don't want them mixed up when you need them. So this is my habanero now. I'm going to be starting with this. And another good thing, before you start, please label the cells. You can see my label. So I'm going to place each label in one cell, and I'm make sure I'm planting each the same seed in one cell. I don't want them mixed up together. It's going to be easier. Even when you pick out a tray, you know everything in it is the same seed. We don't want them mixed up. So let's start now. I'm going to go ahead with this habanero. This is the yellow one, and I also have the red, whichever one you want. They all have their own different taste, different flavor. You just try them out. So I like to put more than one seed in one cell. There's a reason. These are hot pepper. I realized over time that it's not all that will germinate at the same time. Some might not even germinate at all. So if you place more than one in a cell, at least out of three, one will definitely germinate. And you can see this one now, the soil is not so full. You can top up, and and that is it. You can just leave it the way it is and make sure you wet it down. This wetting is going to help the seed. The moisture will allow it to germinate. And I'm going to do the same thing for the other cells. Once you are done with your seed, you've sowed the seed, you water them and make sure it's covered. We want them to be moist. The first 3 to 5 days, you don't need to water them any longer. This water will do, and it's going to sprout. And once it's sprouted, then you can continue to water from there. This is ready now. I'm going to cover it up and put in a warm place. If it's too cold for the seed, it will not germinate. And if it's too hot, it will also not germinate. So you need to get the right temperature. I normally use my heat mat, and I'm going to put them on the shelf. So the first 3 to 4 days, I do not put light on until when I start seeing the seed sprout up. That's when they need light. Right now, there's no need for this light. So I'm going to work on the other ones, and I'm going to close this up. The next 3 to 4 days, I'll check on them again. Hopefully, they will have started sprouting. I will let you know. Stay tuned. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll be showing you the progress as we go along. Thank you so much for watching, and stay blessed. Bye now.